Guido W. Imbens, leading innovator in causal inference and econometrics. Guido Wilhelmus Imbens, born on September 3, 1963 in Eindhoven, Netherlands, is a distinguished econometrician renowned for his pioneering work in causal inference. His significant contributions, particularly in developing methods for estimating causal effects using observational data, have profoundly influenced economics and the social sciences. Early life and education. Imbens grew up in the Netherlands, where his early fascination with mathematics and statistics laid the groundwork for his future career. He began his academic journey at Erasmus University Rotterdam, earning a degree in economics in 1983. He then pursued graduate studies in the United Kingdom, obtaining an MPhil in economics from the University of Hull in 1986. Driven by a desire for further expertise, Imbens attended Brown University in the United States, earning his Ph.D. in economics in 1991 under the mentorship of Anthony Lancaster, a prominent econometrician. Academic career. Following his Ph.D., Imbens embarked on his academic career as an assistant professor at Harvard University. He later held positions at several prestigious institutions, including the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, and UC Berkeley. In 2012, Imbens joined Stanford University, where he currently serves as the Applied Econometrics Professor and Professor of Economics. At Stanford, he is also a senior fellow at the Stanford Institute for Economic Policy Research, SCIEPAR, playing a crucial role in mentoring the next generation of econometricians. Contributions to econometrics. Imbens is best known for his work on causal inference, particularly in developing methods to estimate causal effects from observational data. His research often addresses the challenges of endogeneity and selection bias in empirical studies. Instrumental variables. A major contribution of Imbens is his work on instrumental variables, IV, a method used to estimate causal relationships when controlled experiments are not feasible. Collaborating with Joshua Angrist, Imbens advanced the understanding of IV techniques, particularly in the context of local average treatment effects, LATE. Their seminal 1994 paper, Identification and Estimation of Local Average Treatment Effects, provided economists with robust tools to draw causal inferences from non-experimental data. Matching methods. Imbens has significantly contributed to matching methods, used to estimate treatment effects by comparing treated and untreated units with similar characteristics. His work on propensity score matching and covariate balancing has improved the reliability of causal estimates in observational studies, particularly valuable in the social sciences where randomized controlled trials are often impractical. Bayesian inference. Imbens has also advanced Bayesian inference for causal effects, integrating Bayesian approaches with traditional econometric methods to develop techniques that allow for more flexible and robust estimation of causal relationships. This work has expanded the toolkit available to researchers for dealing with complex data and model uncertainty. Regression discontinuity designs. Imbens has contributed to the development and refinement of regression discontinuity designs, RDD, a quasi-experimental method used to identify causal effects by exploiting cutoff points in assignment variables. His research has provided a deeper understanding of the assumptions and limitations of RDD, enhancing its applicability and reliability in empirical research. Education and policy research. Beyond methodological innovations, Imbens has applied his expertise to various substantive areas, including labor economics, education, and public policy. Labor economics. In labor economics, Imbens has investigated the effects of training programs, unemployment insurance, and labor market policies on employment and earnings. His research has provided valuable insights into the effectiveness of policy interventions aimed at improving labor market outcomes. Education. Imbens has also made significant contributions to the economics of education, examining the impacts of educational programs and policies on student achievement and long-term outcomes. His work has informed debates on school funding, teacher effectiveness, and the design of educational interventions. Public policy. Imbens' research extends to public policy evaluation, assessing the causal impacts of various social programs and policy changes. His rigorous methodological approach has helped policymakers understand the true effects of interventions, guiding evidence-based decision-making. Honors and awards. Imbens' contributions to econometrics have been widely recognized. In 2021, he was awarded the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences, shared with David Card and Joshua D. Angrist for their methodological contributions to the analysis of causal relationships. This prestigious award underscores the significance of Imbens' work in advancing empirical economics. Imbens is also a Fellow of the Econometric Society and the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. He has received numerous other honors, including the John von Neumann Award and the Frisch Medal, recognizing his outstanding contributions to econometrics. Influence and legacy. Imbens' work has had a lasting impact on econometrics and the social sciences. His methodological innovations have set new standards for empirical research, emphasizing the importance of credible causal inference. By developing and refining techniques for estimating causal effects, Imbens has influenced a wide range of fields, including economics, political science, sociology, and public health. His research has also had practical implications, informing policy debates and guiding the design of social programs. Imbens' emphasis on rigorous empirical methods has helped ensure that policy decisions are based on sound evidence, ultimately contributing to more effective and equitable outcomes. Teaching and mentorship. In addition to his research, Imbens is known for his dedication to teaching and mentoring students. At Stanford University, he has trained numerous PhD students who have gone on to make significant contributions to econometrics and related fields. Imbens' ability to convey complex econometric concepts in an accessible manner has made him a highly regarded educator and mentor. Personal life. Despite his professional achievements, Imbens is known for his humility and approachability. He maintains strong connections with his students and colleagues, fostering a collaborative and supportive academic environment. Imbens' international background and diverse academic journey have enriched his research perspectives and contributed to his empathetic approach to economic analysis. Conclusion: Guido W. Imbens' work has fundamentally transformed the field of econometrics. Through his innovative methods for causal inference and his rigorous approach to empirical research, he has provided new insights into how we understand and evaluate economic and social phenomena. His contributions have advanced both theoretical and applied econometrics, influencing a wide range of disciplines and informing policy decisions. As a scholar, teacher, and mentor, Imbens' legacy will continue to shape the field of economics for years to come.